Ladies and gentlemen, it's Ben Malapile here and I'm back with another property tour. Today I have a 2-bed or 3 if you like. So it's a 2-bed with a loft, can be used as a 3rd bedroom, ground floor apartment for sale in North Riding on Blandford Road in Blandford Court. So it's a neat unit at the corner, has a very spacious garden. Actually, spacious is an understatement. Huge garden. So I'm pretty excited to show this one to you. So come on right in and have a look. Upon entry, you're welcomed by this white, neat kitchen. It has space for 2 undercounter appliances, double sink, an extractor fan, stove, and undercounter oven. Also has a pantry and space for a double door fridge, all topped with granite. Next we have the dining area. Dining area leads to your lounge, and you have the loft on top of the lounge. This is the loft. Can be used as your 3rd bedroom, or you can use it as a pajama lounge or work from home space. The lounge opens up to the covered patio with a built-in granite, and the patio leads you to the garden. All this is your private garden. Huge, isn't it? So if you got kids, they have plenty of room to play around. Next, we have the 1st bedroom downstairs. It's a great size, has built-in cupboards and tiled throughout. Next, we have the shared bathroom, tiled from top to bottom and equipped with a shower. You also have a vanity basin and cupboard space underneath. The basin has been topped with granite. Then we have the main bedroom, also tiled throughout, great space, and has built-in cupboards for him and her. It also has an ensuite bathroom with a vanity basin that also has cupboard space underneath and topped with granite. And this bathroom has a bathtub. The property includes a garage and a carport. You also have plenty of visitors parking space available. But that's not all. The complex has a communal swimming pool, clubhouse, and communal braai area for you to use. And there, ladies and gentlemen, is the 2-bed/3-bed apartment for sale in North Riding. If you'd like to schedule a private viewing, just click on the link